Welcome to this series of Data Protector demonstrations. This time we want to show you the integration into SAP HANA. First of all, please refer to the integration guide on how to do the individual steps of integration. We're not covering that here for timing reasons. After you have done the integration, it should actually look like this. You should have imported your HANA server, which is the one on the upper left side, and you have deployed the SAP HANA integration. Since this is a Linux-based system, you have to deploy the agent from a Linux or HPUX installation server. But that's basically all you do on the client side. Next thing you do is set up a backup specification, which is actually used by HANA to perform individual backups. You find the information about all the SAP HANA integrations under the SAP HANA server folder. And in that you have a backup specification that is actually linking onto the SAP HANA server. Is set up with a destination option, so you can pick any data protector supported backup device you want. And you might want to tweak and tune certain options on the next pages. But this is all you do on the data protector side. Note that you cannot start the backup from here because that's actually everything is done in the SAP HANA information management interface. Now, this is all you have to do on the data protector side. Now moving over to the SAP HANA overview and graphical user interface. In HANA itself, you find different or multiple databases being set up. Currently, we're connected to this database here. And you find a backup tab on the right hand side where all the configuration is done. Note that you have to do certain manual configuration on certain backup parameter files to have the right communication in between the two systems. If you've done it right, you have the choice of doing file-based backups or backups over the back-end interface, and that's of course the most desired configuration, since SAP administrators can use the back-end interface without leaving their already known environment, and actually they do not have to know what Data Protector is and how to deal with the Data Protector graphical user interface. So everything is done from this side on. Further down here you can set a so-called backup interval. And that is the maximum time in between two log file backups that is actually used by SAP HANA internally. Note that you still do not schedule anything on the Data Protector side. Everything is done on the SAP HANA Studio side. Now, if you want to do a full backup, then you right-click on the backup item on the upper left corner, and the SAP HANA GUI will actually guide you through the rest of the process. So first of all, you check for the right destination type, which is backend. And you check down here that the backup destination is actually set up right, and you go on next. HANA will tell you that everything has been collected to perform a successful backup, so this is an overview. And by clicking Finish, HANA will actually issue the backup command to Data Protector, and Data Protector will work on that. So if you go to the monitor process on the Data Protector side, you will actually see the backup running. You see all the usual information that comes from the monitor process, and you just wait for that to finish. After the backup procedure finished on the Data Protector side, you will see that HANA will now list the backups that have been made in the past, and you can easily follow the backup structure. So just to note how Data Protector actually treated all those backups, you will see that there were multiple backup streams coming out of the HANA server, and Data Protector, of course, automatically distributed those streams over the available backup devices in multiple streams. But that's the standard behavior also for any other database backup that you do. Going back to HANA, it will also acknowledge that the backup has been done successfully. If you want to, you can open the appropriate log file, but all you do here is to just verify that everything was all right by going into the backup catalog. So the backup catalog will actually show you the most important information. You can browse for individual log file backups, which can be a lot of them in this kind of overview. So this is all the log file backups that you've done in the past. On the lower right hand corner, you'll find the individual streams or database elements that have been used during those backups. If you uncheck this Show Log Backups tab, then it will just show you full backups that have been done in the past. So this is our backup that we just did a minute ago, and all the important elements were included. You see that on the lower right hand side. That will finish our demonstration for SAP HANA with Data Protector. And thanks and have a nice day.